This 2012 Winnebago View 24M is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Winnebago is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 6, skylight, stove-top burner, DVD player, spare tire kit, oven, smoke detector, water heater, microwave, auxiliary battery, TV, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2012 Winnebago View 24M is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.